Hey guys, we're here.
He's trying to steal my intro. What's up, guys? We're back at BMS with the V with a big cam. Shoemaker Racing. Say what up. That's what's up. All right, so we got the big cam. We got the lower pulley. We got a bunch of extra shit because we dropped a lifter and now we fixed it. So it took us about a week of actual work to get it done. So we're gonna hit this dyno hard. If you guys like the Movember style here, make sure you drop a like for this because we're gonna send it. We're hoping for 700-ish, maybe a little over 700. And yeah, I'll show you the engine. Nothing really changed outside of the engine. It's all internal stuff. Let's go have some fun. And let's hope we don't break it because I put it together with Shoemaker Racing and GT2 Rob. Woo! All right. How much power?
Got the tuning juice. Gonna make the horsepower.
Great.
For you, we'll make 475.
Great, we're gonna detune it.
If your wife drives it, I'll give her 700.
Oh, great. You hear that, Kathy? Suck my balls, Mr. Gassin.
Is the little key stopper in the center console charger?
Yes. Yeah. No, it's not a charger. But if you
First pull. That was previous tune. That was just a run tune. So now we've gained 50 horsepower, a little less torque, but we'll dial that in. Pull number one. Very good.
leave it right there. 669, baby.
Oh yeah. Well, second tune pass, 669, 574 torque. Getting better and better.
Come to here and go, you know, this gotta go, this guy's got the pool down.
So let her cool down a little bit. Really nice run here, 670. Made lots more torque. Let's get this dialed in. $690, $603. Look at that. What's up, guys? So that was sick. I'm really happy with how that turned out. I gotta use my light here in the car, but we're heading home now from BMS. We had a great day. We made 695 horsepower and 610 torque. I wanted the 7 just for knowing I had 7. I bet you if we let it cool down for a little while longer, we could have hit that 7, but those were back-to-back pulls, making sure everything was good. It was at temp. It was, you know, so 695 is the true number. I can't complain. We gained almost 100 horsepower just by doing a cam. 100 wheel horsepower just by doing a cam. So if you own a V and you're thinking about, should I do a cam, or maybe what should I do? I'll tell you, a cam is 100% something you should do, and it sounds absolutely nasty. I am running the Speed Engineering headers to X-pipe, straight piped all the way to the stock muffler. So the stock mufflers actually do a really good job resonating the sound. If I blow my mufflers out, which is very popular for these cars to do, once they start making big power, I'll probably just slap on some cutouts, some nice cutouts, and put on maybe Vibrant or some kind of mufflers. But if you know what kind of muffler is good on these cars that isn't extremely loud, I don't want a Corsa. They are way too loud. I don't want that. I drive this to client meetings all the time. So if you know something that's good for it, let me know. But guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you had fun. We're going to race this car next year along with the Ranger. Hopefully we can bring the Ranger and the V down to LS Fest this year. That would be absolutely wicked. You know, 2 street sweepers going at it. Go have some fun, cruise the highways, find some shenanigans. So guys, that's it for the video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. If you're impressed with the power, if you thought it was going to be more, or, you know, do you have a V? Or you like Vs? Let me know. All right, guys. See you later.
Jack it up.